So I'm going to show you how to create an annotation using NoodleTools. It's super easy. I think that you will continue to use this method because it formats it for you and takes care of all of the nitty gritty. So you are going to go ahead, your citations are already here that hopefully you've cut and pasted from your database. So here's the citation. Let's say I've gone ahead and read this article. Now I'm going to choose Options, go to Edit Annotation, and I come up with a blank screen. And this is where I'm going to go ahead and type my annotation. And so here I'm going to put my justification for using this article, my summary and evaluation. So this is a useful article because it addresses the role of tragic the role of tragic love in the play. This love causes numerous deaths, resulting in tragedy for both families. The author of the article, and then here's where I'm not going to go ahead and type 2 paragraphs, but this is what you're going to do. You are talking about why this article would be useful to you. You're going to provide a summary and evaluation. Then you just hit save and close, and your annotation shows up right here. As you can see, there's your annotation. If you need to edit it, you just come back to edit annotation and you're able to do so, like if you notice that you need to add something or spell check, etc. Then when you get ready to send this to your teacher, if you're going to print it or export it, you're just going to come right here, and I just want to show you what it looks like. Here it is. Okay, and it's perfect. This is what I really like about it. The formatting is done for you. Whoops. The formatting is done for you. It's in alphabetical order. All you have to now do is go back and add your MLA heading. So I hope this was useful to you. Please don't hesitate to ask me if you have any questions.